Hi friends, good day. Today let us try to understand about what is Forex, what are the types of Forex markets, and advantages of Forex trading through this video. According to Zig Ziglar, expect the best, prepare for the worst, capitalize on what comes. Before we go on,
please subscribe for more videos. Click the bell icon for updates.
What is Forex? The foreign exchange or the Forex market is a global marketplace for the network of buyers and sellers who transfer currency in between each other at an agreed price. It always involves selling one currency in order to order another, which is why they are quoted in pairs. This market determines foreign exchange rate for every currency. This is also the means by which the individuals, companies, and central banks convert one currency into another. In terms of trading volume, it is by far the largest market in the world, followed by credit market. While a lot of foreign exchange is done for practical purpose, the majority of it is done with the aim of earning profits. For example, when you travel to any other country like United States of America and want to buy something, they won't accept rupees and will only accept dollars. So we exchange our currency rupees into dollars if we plan a trip. Unlike shares and commodities, the Forex trading does not take place on exchanges but directly between two parties in an over-the-counter, that is OTC market. One unique aspect of this international market is that there is no central marketplace for foreign exchange. This market is run by a global network of banks, and the market is open 24 hours a day and 5.5 days a week, and currencies are traded worldwide in the major financial centers of London, New York, Tokyo, Zurich, Frankfurt, Hong Kong, Singapore, Paris, and Sydney across almost every time zone. As such, the Forex market can be active any time of the day with price quotes changing constantly. What are the types of Forex market? There are 5 types of Forex market. Number 1. Spot Forex market. These are the quickest transactions involving currency in the foreign exchange market. The physical exchange of a currency pair which takes place at the exact point the trade is settled, that is, on the spot or which a short period of time. As per the Bank of International Settlements (BIS) estimate, the daily volume of spot transaction is about 50% of all transactions in foreign exchange market. Major participants on the spot exchange market are commercial banks, central banks, dealers, brokers, arbitrageurs, and speculators. 2. Forward Forex market. In this, a contract is agreed to buy or sell a specified amount of currency at a specified price, to be settled at a set date in the future or within a range of future dates. The forward market is very valuable in hedging and speculation. The disadvantages of forward market are lack of centralization of trading, liquidity, and counterparty risk. Number 3. Future Forex market. In this, a contract is made between two parties to buy or sell a specified amount of currency at a specified date in the future. Unlike forwards, future contracts are legally binding. There is no counterparty risk involved. The futures Forex market is highly liquid, as unlimited persons can enter into the same trade. Number 4. Options market. It is a contract which gives the buyer of the option the right but not the obligation to buy or sell the underlying at a future fixed date and at a fixed price. A call option gives the right to buy and the put option gives the right to sell. As currencies are traded in pair, one currency is bought and another is sold. Number 5. Currency swaps. Swaps, as the term suggests, are simply the instruments that permit the exchange of two streams of cash flow in two different currencies. It involves exchange of a series of payments between two parties. Advantages of Forex trading. You can trade 24 hours a day. It is a market with high liquidity. Leverage can make your money go further. Trade a wide range of currency pairs. Accessibility of tools to help you trade. Hedging with Forex. High volatility. Well, thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and do share.